Okay, thank you. Let's see how to derive the cross surface area of the prisms, whether it is triangular or rectangular prism. Let's see how to derive the cross surface area. Now, the formula simply says that cross surface area is equal to perimeter of the cross section multiplied by the length. The perimeter of the triangle multiply it by the length. Perimeter of this right angle multiply it by the length. We give you the cross surface area of the prisms. So let's see the first one, the triangular. Now here, if here is, let's call this A, call this B, and this C, and we want to get the cross surface area. Cross surface area now will give us the perimeter. The perimeter of a triangle, if it is a scaling triangle or equilateral triangle or an isosceles triangle, you add all the lengths together, A plus B plus C. So here we are going to have A plus B, then plus C. Then multiply it by what? By the length. Multiply it by the length. So this will give you the cross surface area of this triangular prism. You are going to use the same method here. Perimeter of this right angle. If here is A, here is B, here is C. Perimeter is by adding this plus this plus this. So perimeter of this, the cross surface area of this, will give us A plus B plus C. Then multiply it by the length. That is what you are going to have here. Whether it is triangular or rectangular, if you want to calculate the cross surface area, just multiply the perimeter of the cross section by the length. You will have your what? Your cross surface area. Fast. Yes, sir. No. I'm not worried. I'm caught here then. Okay, thank you. Let's see how to derive the formula for calculating the total surface area of triangular prisms and rectangular prisms. Let's see how to derive the formula. Now, the formula simply says that total surface area is equal to cross surface area plus the two areas of the cross section. The two areas of the cross section. Now, let's see this. For the triangular, the cross surface area, we've gotten that to be total surface area equals to cross surface area, we've gotten it to be A plus B plus C, multiply it by the length. Now, plus the two areas of the cross section. Now, if it is a triangular prism and the angle, the triangle you have here is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle that all the sides are equal. That is, if here is A, here is also A, here is A. Now, the best method to use here to get the area of this triangle is by using what we know as Hero's formula. Hero's formula is the best method to use here to calculate the area of this triangle. Now, how do we do that? Let's see how to calculate the area of this triangle. You have this and this. This is A, this is A. Now, the Hero's formula simply says that area equals to square roots of S into S minus A, S minus A, and S minus A. This is what we call Hero's formula. A is equal to square root S open bracket S minus A, S minus A, S minus A, because all the sides are equal. Now, if you consider a scenario whereby you have three sides different, are you getting it? Here you have this to be A, here you have this to be B, here you have this to be C. Let's assume that here is 6, here is 7, here is 8. We will consider the triangle as a scaling triangle. So here you are going to have S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. The reason why we are having all this to be A here is because it is an equilateral triangle. So that's why we have S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So how do we get our S? S is simply S equals to A plus A plus A over 2. If it is a scaling triangle, it's going to be A plus B plus C all over 2. Now, since we've gotten the area of our triangle, whether it is an equilateral triangle or a scaling triangle, to be A equals to S square root of S, S minus A, open another bracket, S minus B, close the bracket, open another bracket, S minus C. And we know that our S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. Now, this is the formula we are going to use for the area. Now, let's compute our total surface area now. You're going to give us cross surface area plus the two area of the cross section. So here, cross surface area, we've gotten that to be A plus B plus C. Multiply it by length. Then plus the two areas now, that is the area of this side and the area of this side. 2 of the area. Now, always use this Hero's formula. So here you are going to have roots of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So that is the formula. We are still going to solve examples under this. I'll show you how to use this formula to get the areas of either triangular or rectangular prism. We are still going to apply the formulas. So this is the total surface area of a triangular prism. Now let's see the one of rectangular prism. We are using the same formula. Total surface area equals to cross surface area plus the two areas. That is the cross section areas. Now here, let's see this. the cross surface area of this, we've gotten that to be A plus B, A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C, multiply it by the length, then plus 2 area, the 2 areas now. Now, the area of this, use this to get the area of this. This is a right angle, triangle. Since there is no angle given here, use this. So here you are going to have roots of S into S minus A, S minus B, then S minus C here. S minus C here. Don't forget, our S equals to A plus B plus C over 2. That's how to get our S. That is, let's say, if you have 4 here, here you have 5 here, you have 6 here. That will be 4 plus 5 plus 6 all over 2. That will give you S here. But here, in a triangular prism, if you have all the sides equal, this is going to give you, let's assume this is 10, this is 10, and this is 10. So your S here is going to give you 10 plus 10 plus 10 all over 2. So this will give you the value of S. So this is how to derive the total surface area for both the triangular prism and the rectangular prism. Let's quickly see how to derive the formulas for the volumes of the triangular prism and the rectangular prism. Let's see how to derive the volumes, the formula for the volumes. Now, the formula simply says that volume is equal to area of the cross section multiplied by the length. Area of the cross section, then you multiply it by the length. Now, let's see for the triangular. The area for this triangle is given to be this. Use Hero's formula to do that. So that will give us volume is equal to area of the cross section, which is roots S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, then multiply it by the what? By the length, So this will give you the volume. Now this is area, don't forget, whether it's centimeter or a meter square, centimeter square, then multiply it by another centimeter. This will give you centimeter cube. This is how to derive the volume of the triangular prism. Now let's see that of rectangular prism. We are using the same formula. The volume is going to give you the area of this side, which you can use this to get S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Then multiply everything by the length here. So you are going to have this. So this is how to derive the formula for the volume of a triangular and rectangular prisms. Thanks. I believe you've learned something today. Please try to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for viewing.